Now they are going to capture our picture because, as you know, we broke the rule of traffic. So now he will catch the picture of us. After that, he will release us. Assalamu alaikum, another new day. By the way, I'm going to start my day with my father's car. You can see my father's car is really getting messy. You can see dust on the car body. Here you can see dust. I'm going to get washed my father's car. You know, the washing center is there. It's not so far. I'll just arrive there in 1 minute. Press the key. The car is unlocked now. Here you go. The car has started. It's time to drive the car. Bismillah. Here is mirror. Let's see how I'm looking right now. MashaAllah. I was here on the washing center. Unfortunately, the washing center is closed today. I don't know what is the reason behind that. I can't do anything. I think the washing man would have some urgent work. Yeah, we can only imagine, but we actually don't know what is the exact reason behind it. So now I'm going back at home. I'm back from the washing center. My uncle and I are going together in the local city of my area. The city's name is Swar. This is 10 kilometers away from my home. I'm sitting in the rear seat of the car. I think there is no diesel in the car. So we are here on the petrol pump, as you can see. But here is already a tractor having diesel in the diesel tank. So we are changing the position. Yes, we can park the car here and get fuel in the car. Good. As I told you, I was in the local city of my area. So right now I'm in the city of my area. So you can see this city seems like this. Right now I'm going to buy chocolate. But first of all, I want to buy chocolate. For that I have to find the shop. Let's find the shop. Where is the shop? Where is the grocery shop? I think the grocery shop is over there. I'm going to buy chocolates. Here we are. As you can see, you can say this is not big shop, but this is a small grocery shop. But I think you can find everything. You can get everything here, such as candy, chips, snacks, etc. So I bought 5 or 10 chocolates for my cousins. So finally, here is chocolates in my hand. Now I'm going back to my father's car. My father's car is parking 500 meters. Now I'm getting out from this city, Swar. Actually, I'm going on another place. I'm going on my cousin's house. I'm at my cousin's house and I spent 1 or 2 hours here. Now I'm going back at home and my cousin is going with me.
The next day.
So right now my uncle and I are going together in my hometown because I have some work in my hometown and there is no facility to accomplish the work in my place because there is no facility, as I told you. Therefore I have to go to in my hometown 12 kilometers away from my home. The condition of road is really worst. So my uncle is riding the bike and we are 3 individuals on the bike, and we, by the way, we are not breaking the rules of traffic. 3 people can sit on the motorbike in local area, but if you try to embrace this activity in the city, then you will get punishment by police. There is no petrol in this petrol pump. As you can see, he is hanging the notice board. You know, there is no petrol in my uncle's bike. We have to get fuel first, then we will complete our journey to the hometown. We are going on another petrol pump. The other petrol pump is 5 kilometers away from other petrol pump. Wow, this is evening time and you can see the weather is fascinating. Wow! So finally police uncle cashed me here, as you can see. Now he's going to capture my photo. Actually, we were breaking the rule of traffic. So therefore we are going to get punishment through Indian police. As you can see, he's uncle. He's police uncle. Now he will capture our photo. They are going to capture our picture because, as you know, we broke the rule of traffic. So now he will catch the picture of us. After that, he will release us. And I think he will pay charge for that. By the way, my uncle has driving license, but he forgot at home. He should bring with him. You know why he clicked the picture of our bike? In order to online challan. We got challan. I don't know how much. I think it would be cost around 1,000 or 1,500. Today I experienced this situation. By the way, I was not expecting it. It's okay, let it go. It always happen in the life because we always face this kind of moment in our lives. I was talking about in the beginning of the blog that we are breaking the rule of traffic. So right now I passed through that moment. Finally I got challan. It's okay. Finally we are here on the petrol pump. Now we are getting fuel in the bike and we are getting 160 rupees of petrol. And I'm very excited to know what's the price of petrol here in India. It's 94.97 rupees per liter. Now it's our turn. We have opened the tank of the bike. Now he's filling the petrol inside the bike. I don't shoot videos without permission. Sorry. I forgot the pay. I paid the money for petrol. Now we are going. Let's go. I'm in my hometown right now and I have accomplished my personal works. Now I'm finding something to eat. By the way, it's really chaos in the night. You can see, you know, that is a tuk-tuk. And tuk-tuk is very popular vehicle in my area. Yeah, especially in my hometown. People love to ride in tuk-tuk. I also love to ride in tuk-tuk. On here in this shop, you know, Haji is very popular. He makes omelette. His omelette is very famous. Yes, so my uncle going to eat omelette of Haji. Yeah. You can see we have sat down here in this hotel. Yeah, it's kinda like hotel. Yes, this is hotel. I'm 100% sure. And that is two refrigerator. We have ordered omelette. I'm not going to eat omelette. As I told you, I always avoid oily things. Yeah. We have eaten the omelette here from the shop, as you can see in my background. Now we are going on another place. Let's see what we are gonna do next. My uncle is riding the bike. I don't want to ride the bike in the night because the weather isn't good. I'm feeling cold while riding the bike. Therefore, I told you to my uncle to drive the bike because he has leather jacket. He will not feel cold on the bike. I'm back from hometown. Now nothing. If you enjoyed this vlog, then subscribe and hit the bell icon. Okay, bye, take care.